Friends, how are you? I am also fine. Today I will draw a bird. Bird. Make a big beak. Then we draw a small beak. Circle. Then we draw a straight line. It is a bird. It is a bird. Color it. Show me your bird. Show me. Very good. Very good.